Reclaim your Safari privacy. iOS 18.4 hidden feature.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're an iPhone user, listen up, because Apple just pulled a fast one on us with the latest iOS 18.4 update. And it's a major privacy headache.
So, you open Safari, right? You want to do a quick search, and bam! What's staring you right in the face? Your entire recent search history. We're talking everything from how to get slime out of carpet to best secret vacation spots, all out in the open. Now, imagine this. You hand your phone to a friend to show them a funny video, or a coworker glances over your shoulder, or your significant other borrows your phone for a second, and suddenly your super secret shopping spree or that weird medical symptom you Googled is on full display. Awkward, right? Apple, what were you thinking?
This new feature in iOS 18.4, where Safari automatically shows your recent searches when you open a new tab and tap the search bar, is a serious privacy concern for a lot of us. While I get that they might have been going for convenience, quick access to frequently searched terms, for most of us, privacy trumps convenience every single time.
But don't worry, because as always, I've got your back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn this sneaky setting off and reclaim your Safari privacy. It's super simple, and it'll restore Safari to its good old behavior, where a new tab actually just opens to a blank homepage.
All right, let's get into it. Here's how to banish those recent searches. First things first, open up your Settings app. You know, the little gray gear icon. Scroll down, down, down until you see Apps. Tap on that. Then, find and tap on Safari. Now, once you're in the Safari settings, scroll down a little bit until you find the toggle that says Show Recent Searches. And this is the magic step. Simply switch that toggle off, just like that. Boom, you're done. Now, when you open a new tab in Safari and tap the search bar, you'll be greeted with a nice, clean slate, just like it used to be. No more awkward moments, no more exposed searches. Your secrets are safe once again. So there you have it, folks, a quick and essential tip to make sure your iPhone is working for you and protecting your privacy, not compromising it. If this video helped you out, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.